I am a person who believes yavattu ene kasta bandre athwa elle pause button idre, you should not worry about the outcome. You start worrying about the process. Simple example I will give each and every one of you today. Lord Indra, all of you know Lord Indra. In Hindu mythology, Lord Indra is the king of Devas. Right? Once what happened? Lord Indra was angry on all the farmers. Ella farmers nodbittu ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, because farmers would have forgotten a little bit God. ಪೂಜೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. Now Lord Indra was so angry on farmers. He said, I am not going to shower rain for next 12 years. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಗಾಲ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, 12 ವರ್ಷ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಮಳೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. All the farmers got tensed. Right? They went and caught his feet. Please God, please don't do this. I'll show you some mercy. You do one thing, you go to Lord Shiva. He's a Bolenath. Shiva melts fast. Correct? Auratra hogi. And they were preparing to go to Lord Shiva. By then Indra had reached Lord Shiva and said, "Avaru nimatra bartare farmers, but don't agree." Now what happened? All the farmers went to Lord Shiva. They said, Shiva, please, male barlilla andre namdella life devastate agbidutte. If it doesn't rain, we are gone. Please do something. Please tell Indra. Right? Do you know Lord Shiva says, no, I can't do it. But one condition, if I play my damru, then it will rain. So for 12 years, I can't do that. Now try to understand. He commits that if I play damru, it will rain. Damru means, all of you know, right? The small drums. I don't exactly know the word in English. I just missed it. Damru andre eldrigu gottagtide tane, which Shiva has. Right? It's a kind of drum, small drum. Now, that means for 12 years, he is not going to do that, because he has made a pact with Indra that I'm not going to, if I do this, it will rain, right? So he will not do that. Now what happens? All the farmers get to know that now ene madidru kuda male antru baralla. It's not going to rain. So better we will all sit under a tree and take rest. But there was one farmer. Every morning he used to go to fields. He used to plow the fields. He used to plow the fields. He used to put the seeds. No water, no rain. But he was doing continuously, and all other farmers were laughing at him. Hey, ning tele ilva solpanu male baralla tana. Indra has told 12 years there is not going to be rain. Yak ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನು ಯಾರ್ದು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Every day he does that, and after 3 years also he's doing it. Now all the farmers get furious and they come and tell you, have you gone nuts? Salpadru buddhi idana ninge? What is wrong with you? Then he tells, come here all of you. I know it will not rain 12 years. 12 ವರ್ಷ ಮಳೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ if I don't do what I am doing right now, I will forget farming. After 12 years, if Indra, if he showers rain also, I won't be knowing how to do farming. That is why I'm practicing every day. And you know what? By listening to this, Goddess Parvati was watching this argument. She goes and tells Lord Shiva, ನೋಡು ಒಂದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ನೋಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ವಾವ್, ನೀನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಮ್ರು ಬಾರ್ಸದ್ ಮರ್ತ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು. Then Lord Shiva feels, correct, 12 years if I don't play, I might also forget. Immediately he takes the damru and he starts shaking. The moment he shakes, it starts raining. Then that farmer gets all the produce. So my dear friends, what is the moral of the story? Yavattu niಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, but we should not stop practicing learning. Yes or no, my dear friends? Yes or no? You tell me. Give me thumbs up. Come on. We should start practicing irrespective of whether schools will open. This year is a 0 year. We don't care. ಕಲಿಯೋದನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ತರ ಆಗಿದೆ. It has happened with me in my life, my dear friends. When I was in my 12th standard, I scored 95 in physics. Right? I wrote my examination in March. 95 I got in physics. Done? My engineering, because there was some issue with CET, avaga common entrance test anta irtu. I think now it is called KE, Karnataka Education Authority, I think. Now also I think they call it CET, common entrance test to get into engineering or medical. And do you know what happened, my dear friends? Government seat sharing between private government, it was going on, because of which my college started in October end. That means there was literally 5 to 6 months gap. I lost touch with studies. You know how much I got in my first semester in engineering in physics subject? 42. 95 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 42 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So I hope everybody is getting the point, because I missed the concept of practicing. So my dear friends, ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? I don't care what is your past, because people usually question past. Last year how much percentage you got? Oh, only that's all. I don't care about that. ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಯಾರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ನಾಳೆ ಏನ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಾನ್, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದೇ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದೇರ್ 10th ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್? ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದೆಮ್. ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು, ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It's over now. So we should not look behind. What happened in 9th standard happened. What happened in 8th standard happened. What happened in 7th standard happened. But what we are going to do next is the most important thing, my dear friends. Right? So, eldrigu ivattu suggestion kodtene nanu. Before I proceed with some 2-3 important topics I'm going to share with you, then I'll move to your parents. First and foremost thing, I want all the students, I told you about Lord Indra and that farmer, correct? Practice means you close your ears, don't watch news, don't worry about anything. Whenever school starts, that time if you're already prepared, then you will be the best. Don't you think so? Yes or no? Suppose it doesn't start also, still you will be the best, because you didn't lose the touch of your studies. And this 1 year all of you are going to change, my dear friends. Full 360-degree transformation. Yake? I know your mentors now. They are one of the best mentors you can get, I'm telling you. So much of experience, 10 years of experience. They have traveled all length and breadth across the country, guys. They have met so many youths. Neevinnu chikkoru. They have handled students of 20, 21, 22 MBA students. That is why I am very sure all of you are enjoying your mentorship sessions. Yes or no? And look at our teachers, our tutors in our institute. You will not believe, when I put an application, when we opened up for putting up applications for tutor, we got applications even from PhD holders from IIT Bombay. Ee COVID alli ashtu disturbance agide horgade. I got one, the application from a person who was 55-year-old. He's a doctorate. I didn't take him. Ask me why. Sir, doctorate mathematics, IIT Bombay. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? See, no disrespect to elder generation, but ivattu I understand. See, the person who can understand today's students are the one who are young and energetic. That's why you are Sachit sir, you are Abhiram sir, you are Pankaj sir, you are Kusuma ma'am, you are Steven sir, you are Asher sir. Young and energetic. They can connect to you quickly. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. And look at their passion and energy. They have not joined education just for the sake of money or something. They have joined for the passion. We saw that, and we have taken tutors in our institution. And even though we have mentors who are not tutors, but still they want to teach you. And I want to tell everybody, I'm very sure all of you enjoyed foundation classes last week. All of you enjoyed? Now don't worry. Ego ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತೇನಾ? This 1 year, you don't worry. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಕಾ? I will arrange that for you. Again, in December, sir, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We'll repeat it for you. Our focus is till you learn, we are not going to leave you. That is my promise and my team's promise. Till you learn, we will not leave you. The question is, you should not leave us. We will not leave. That is for guarantee. I will hold you like this. Till the last finger I'll hold. Now you should not leave the hand. Even science nimage beka, basics, that also we are trying to arrange now. That means any doubts, anything you are not understood, we will repeat that for you, my dear friends. Because this year, it is going to be the year of learning. Don't worry about future. Marks, adella amel nodona adu. Aden tension togonadu beda. Right now, our focus is on learning. How well we learn basics, how strong we are in basics. because everything is about basics. Now, you only tell me, you build a building. The building is very beautiful from inside. But while building the foundation, if you are putting all the garbage, will that building stand for a long time? The foundation has to be strong, my dear friends. Yes or no? That is why whenever they're building a high, what to say, a skyscraper, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, they take lot of time to build the foundation first. Yes or no? Because foundation has to be strong. And I believe this year, in next 2-3 months only, your foundation will be so strong, studies will become masti. If anybody tells studies is irritating, come on, come to me. Studies can't be, come on, yaar. How can studies be boring? If PUBG can be interesting, if sports can be interesting, how can studies be boring? Studies is about curiosity, learning. Oh, how this works, how this works, how this works. And trust me, I've always taken subjects as a challenge. Challenge ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, when you solve you feel like giving this, yes, I solved it. Yes or no? Like when all of you, especially you are playing badminton, when the smash hold the point ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, yes, you do, right? And you have seen all the tennis players, Sania Mirza, Roger Federer, Djokovic, when they hit, they make yes, then they get 1 point. That means they celebrate everything. Now studies itara celebrate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, my dear friends. When the moment you solve one problem, yes, don't see it as a problem, see it as a challenge. Can we do that? Give me thumbs up quickly. So this year we all are going to learn, my dear friends. 2-3 things I will tell, and we'll wind off this session. Then we will move to the parents, right? Most important thing, what I expect from all the routines is discipline. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಮ್ದು 5 o'clock ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 5:30, whatever is the time prescribed by the admission, the academics department, make sure you are sitting there 10 minutes prior. Don't take it for granted. Hey, record ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, afterwards I'll see from Google Classroom, I'll see later. Why? Time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That is what is discipline, my dear friends. Now suppose China was attacking India. All of you know this news which happened in Ladakh. That time Indians, hey, today we will not fight, after 10 days we will fight. Can army people behave like that? Mate? ಈಗ corona ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, doctors all of them, oh, I'm lazy, we will work after 1 month. If doctors also take rest like you, will they be able to save? If the police also sit at home, will they be able to control? Try to understand. As a student, only one thing is expected from us, from parents. We just have to sit and study at the right time. Again, I'm telling you, don't worry. You don't have to study whole day. You attend your morning classes in your school. Just 2 hours you have to study. And we are purposely keeping quiz so that you enjoy it as a challenge. And I saw few students, you have not cleared the quiz till now. This very disappointed me. I'm very sorry to say. Tumbane hurt aitu nange. That when we are trying to give our best to you, if you are not clearing that simple 10-mark quiz, now I'm telling you, in the final, when we are finishing this academic year, that time all of you will regret if you are not taken quiz seriously. Why? I'll tell you. Because every quiz has some reward points. You see, right? 15 points are there. 5 points we are giving just for attempting. 10 points for your evaluation. And we will club all those points, and some awesome gifts will be there from our side. Because we believe in that. We believe routines, we enjoy, we celebrate, we reward all the achievers. New points collect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, some surprise gifts will come to your house. We have your address, you have filled the form. Some courier will come to you, some delivery will happen to your house. That day you don't tell me, sir, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. I hope you're getting my point, my dear friends. So discipline. Whatever time is prescribed, whatever messages you get, see, you're getting nicely from Roots message. You get, right? From the administration department, you immediately get, okay, today classes is from this time to this time. When you get this message, sit in front of 10 minutes prior, sit, be ready, take a notebook and pen. What did I tell? Farmer was plowing the land. Similarly, students should sit with a book and pen. ಏನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Because let me remind one very important tip for students, which I have personally followed. And what is that? If you read, listen all of you, If you have pen and paper, you can write also. If you read, you remember this much. If you just read, you remember this much. If you read and write, you remember this much. Most of the students maths stuff because you just read maths, you don't write. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You have to practice. I am telling you now, me and my elder brother, we used to compete. Sorry, younger brother. I was in my 12th standard, my younger brother was in 10th standard. We used to calculate who will make so many kgs of rough sheet. All night we used to sit, put in dustbin, istond rough sheets. Right, throw. And every morning my mom used to come to my room. She used to take all the dustbin papers, istond the papers, dustbin. That is why I'm telling you, if you read, you remember this much. If you read and write, you remember this much. But if you read, write, and share, whatever you learn from roots from hereafter, you go. See, your mother is cooking in the kitchen. Nim tayi cook ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. What you need to do? Let her cook. She is cooking something. She is making paneer butter masala. She is doing some gravy. Let her do. You go and tell. Mama, you know one thing in physics, na? What is refraction? When something passes like this and splits from one medium to another medium, that is called refractive index, the angle. You just tell. ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೆನ್ಪುಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Read, write, and share. You have to talk, my dear friends. ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಸಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, a square plus b square is equal to c square. Amma, you know what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Shall I tell you why? And all the mothers sitting here, ನೀವು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಪ ಅವಳು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You carry on. See, your mother is so expert, she will not get distracted by your, what to say, disturbance or whatever. She will not get distracted. Our extra uppu hakala. Her subconscious mind is so powerful, without even watching also she can put salt like this. She will put perfect salt. That is the beauty of Indian mothers. Yes or no, my dear friends? So, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ? Read, write, and we are going to share from now on. Good enough? Good enough? Thank you very much. So, along with this discipline, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು important ವಿಷಯ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Something called consistency. Now, see, I'll just share something. Pankaj, can you share it on screen? All of you can, it's visible? Yeah. Now, see, how your preparation is there. This is how it matters. I saw that last week, most of you have completed quiz in less time because your mentors little bit forced you. Yes or no? You had so much time, 2 months time, but still you are aram se I'll write quiz. But last week, most of you have completed your quiz. Why did you complete your quiz? Because little bit of pressure. Illa madbeku, because Sunday one event is going to happen. Vinay Patil sir is going to come. We have to do it. Now see, that is not consistency. That is absolute irregularity. Now just tell me one thing. Consistency is something. Can you eat one day everything and 6 days you will not eat? Possible? One full day, sir, I will eat full. 6 days I will not eat. Your body will take that. Can you sleep for 2 days and 5 days I will wake up, sir? I will completely wake up. Can you do that? Can you drink one full, what to say, 25-liter can water? Sir, next 10 days I will not drink water. Your body will survive. Are simple exercise I'll give. All of you just hold, take your 2 fingers here. All of you take your 2 fingers. Hold like this. Everybody. Yeah. Go to your nose. Please close your mouth first. Then all of you close your nose. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Now somebody is telling, sir, Corona is only killing. You are killing us today. Thank you. Leave it. Can you hold for a long time? Let's be practical, guys. Breathing also has a pattern. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ. ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Just imagine yourself on this cycle. This is a mountain. Okay? this is a mountain with, at certain places it is stable, means it's horizontal. The beauty about this cycle is it doesn't have brakes. Brakes illa adra hatra. It's a brakeless cycle. So what happens? Today you start writing quiz. Barita irtira, barita irtira, barita irtira. You are studying. Your cycle has come here now. Right? For 5 days you left studies. Then what happens? You are assuming that you are here, but your cycle has again come back because it doesn't have brakes. Again, if you want to sit and study, na, you have to start again from first. ಯಾಕೆ ಓದಿರೋದು ಮರ್ತ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. Anything we study, my dear friend, it has to be in a pattern. I am not telling you, sir, 3 days ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, 10 days we'll forget. Don't do that. That is stupidity. Just study for every day 2-3 hours. Enough. I'm very sure all of you will score really well. I can guarantee you that. Just 3 hours with sincerity. Phone ella side alli ಒಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. Just throw it away. Completely focus on your studies, my dear friends. Can you promise me that? Right? And what is this break? When you study 2-3 chapters properly, your cycle is here now. Now it will not go down. Don't worry, because you sat for 1 month, neat study madidra. Then you celebrate one day full party. When Corona will be gone, go outside, go to some restaurant, go to some movie, enjoy and come. Why are you thinking 10th board exam means, oh, you tension? Why? That is also one exam. But how you know, kind of preparation you do, that matters, my dear friends. Problem ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಓದಿ then we leave the gap. Don't do that. We will set a proper pattern. Can we do that? Right? So everybody is having a breakless cycle. You come here, enjoy. Then again study. Come here, enjoy. This place is for enjoyments. And I am telling all the parents also, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನಾದರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ let them go and enjoy. Because I am a person who believes if you win football tournament, you should not go for practice next day. You should go and celebrate next day. Yes or no? In any sports, if we win something, take example, India won World Cup in 2011 Cricket World Cup, Dhoni. Agree? Next day they went for practice. No, they went and celebrated. So now, next day we should celebrate. Can we do that, my dear friends? And all the parents, please, if you are listening, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ they should go and enjoy. And they will enjoy, I know that. Right? If they don't, if your parents are not living, all the students, please call me. I'll talk to your parents. Right? Thank you very much. Last point I just wanted to add up here. I know that last year you would have got less marks, especially relatives, especially some friends, neighbors. They would have a little bit criticized. Hey, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದು, ಏನೋ ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಲೋ. Usual lines. Useless fellow, idiot, dumb, dull student. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನೀನಂತೂ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಚಿಕ್ಕ, ನಾಳೆ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ವಾಚ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? It has happened with me also. When I was in my 9th standard, first time in my life, I got mathematics 25. I failed. First term exam, I got 25. I failed. Now imagine. Thankfully, my dad didn't say anything because I was in residential school. But few friends, but my dad got to know. But he also knew that my son is a national hockey player. I was a hockey player. So he valued that little bit. But relatives, ಏನ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದಾನಂತೆ, ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. I just failed in one subject, 25, maths, first time in my life. And that time, see, again I'm telling you, that time I took it as a challenge. Why? Because there was one coach, my hockey coach, who came and inspired me. Vinay, you are good in many things, it's okay, maths alone in sakat agtiya. And just because of that one word, in 12th standard I got mathematics 93, in 10th standard I got mathematics 83, from 25 to 83. Artha madkoli, nothing is impossible. That's why I was telling you, past is past. If somebody criticizes you, that is their problem. but you should take it as a challenge. Can you take that, my dear friends? Huh? Mansik tagobadu. It's okay. That is very natural. Let parents keep telling, relatives keep telling. Just I'm giving a nice secret to all students here. Just take it here, throw it. But you should be clear about your goal. You should take it as a challenge. Yes or no? Right? Because in my first PUC, in my 11th standard, I got 71%. My elder brother got 99.66%. See, such a challenge. 71 to 99.66. Everybody were like, what will you do? I took it as a challenge, not as a pressure. Because I took it as a challenge, my dear friends, I scored 96% in 12th standard. So, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I can see wonderful students who are going to score really well. Not only marks, all your personality will be developed. All of you will be highly skillful. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಯರ್, self doubt ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ. That we are going to promise you. But the question is, ನೀವು ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Simple discipline. See, did I tell that whole day you have to study? Did I tell you? No. Sincerely 2-3 hours. After that you play. And I'm requesting parents also, let them play. It's okay, 1 hour you play. Now, first of all, you can't play also outside. The only thing you can do is your computer games only. Right? So I hope I'm clear with this, my dear friends. Shall I expect that discipline? Shall I expect that consistency? Consistency yak important antandre. There was 2 friends, okay, Ram and Sham. Now what happened? Ram was a real bhakt of Shiva. Every day used to go to temple which was 5 kilometers away from his village on a mountain top. Listen very carefully. Ram, he believed in God. That's why every day, ಒಂದು ದಿನನೂ ತಪ್ಸಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. Every day used to go to temple which was above hill, almost 5 kilometers. And his brother was Sham. And Sham never believed in God. Right? Now, Ram's job was, he used to go to the temple and light a lamp there. Now, Sham, what he used to do, because he didn't believe in God, al mele hogi, a deepana ars barta idda. ಇವನು ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೋದು, ಅವನು ದೀಪ ಆರಿಸೋದು. It was a regular affair for lifetime. But one day, what happens? There will be a huge storm. ತುಂಬಾ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. There will be, all the places will be kind of flooded. That day, Ram decides not to go. But Sham was not knowing this. Sham assumed that Ram al hogirbodu already. Deepa hachirbodu avanu. Naan hogi Deepa aarsbeku. And you know what, my dear friends? That day Ram didn't go, but Sham went to put off that lamp. And guess what? The moment he entered the temple, Lord Shiva himself appeared. Now see the bad luck of Ram. When you least expect, ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತು least ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವತ್ತೇ ದೇವರು ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆಗ್ತಾನಂತೆ. That is what I'm trying to tell all students here. Don't lose out on consistency. ಯಾವತ್ತು ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಅವತ್ತೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ನಾಳೆ ಓದೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅವತ್ತೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. Or sometimes you wanted to read something, ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, you just kept it. When you go inside the hall, you open the paper, ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. You feel like slapping yourself. Yes or no, my dear friends? Right? So once again, my best wishes to all my wonderful routines out there. I'm telling you, you are not alone. We are working as a team here. ನೀವು ಯಾರು single ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. You are there. Our tutors are here who are working on your academics. Our mentors are there who are working on completely that emotional intelligence. And I am personally there to help you out in personality development. Moreover, your parents are next to you today. Ellaru koodi ee varsha we will make it beautiful. Right? So my best wishes to all of you. Any problems, don't hesitate. If you don't understand anything, one full year is there. You can come and ask us. Right? Thank you, my dear students. My best wishes to you. Your mentors are going to send you a daily calendar also, which will help you out in the following a proper timetable so that you don't miss out on time. Right? So I'll just give 30 seconds. If all the students can hand over your camera, headphones to your parents and just walk out from the room. Again, your parents will call after 15-20 minutes, come and join. Is that fine? Keep the camera on. Just please make sure your parents are there. Only your parents are there. Okay, we have all the parents. Yeah. Rishabh and Nishan, can you please put on your cameras quickly? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Uh, Firstly, I thank all the parents for taking out your time on Sunday, where I know that this is one day you tend to get a chance to spend time with your family. But I really appreciate for accepting this invitation and having come here. I'll not take much time. I'll just take quickly 10 minutes. But I hope all of you were present during my last 30 minutes talk. I believe you are there. Then you would have got the more insights of how do we work and what is our plan of action. I believe that all of you are very clear about it. But just I would like to throw certain points with respect to your students. Then I'll open the floor. All of you, if you want, you can ask your questions. I would be very happy to answer. First and foremost, everybody is comfortable in English, or you want me to use parallelly Kannada as well? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಥವಾ
English
is fine. English is fine. Allala, because see, I want to reach out to all of you, so I would try my best to speak in both the languages. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ please stop me and please let me know. Right? Pankaj, can you just mute? Oh, yeah. Thank you. First of all, I have to stand in solidarity with everybody, especially the elder generation. Why? Because I do know that we have been affected more than health. It is the economy which is affected. I do know that a lot of businesses have been affected. I know it is, first of all, our careers, along with that, our children's education, health, on all factors, all factors, we have been affected. I know that. But the question is, how do we come out of it? Right? So, firstly, I respect all the parents. In spite of all this, in spite of so much of confusion, in spite of so much of uncertainty, ಏನು clarity ಇಲ್ಲ education department ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, but still, you have made sure that you have given that chance for your students to study with us in roots, and that's where I respect, and I respect your decision for that. Now, one important thing I think I should discuss with you today is that I have been getting a lot of requests from the academic department, means from you all who are reaching out to our academics department and saying, please conduct what to say, the tests in this way. Please see in college there is a different what to say, curriculum. The different chapters are being conducted in classroom in different way. See, here students are from different schools, right? We understand your concern. ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ the issue is that we have come up with such a pattern. We believe we want to get best out of your kid in one full academic year. By the end of the academic year, we want them to be pretty good in academics, followed by their mindset, and most importantly their personality. And I already mentioned in my first talk about national education policy, which is literally pushing the critical thinking skills of kids. It is trying to bring in even vocational skills at this age of 11, 12, that is 6th standard. They are trying to push coding as well as vocational skills. Till we completed 12th standard, that is till we were 18 years of age, many of us were not even knowing what we want in life, what career to choose. But now this new education policy is trying to bring in that kind of interest in kids from 6th standard itself. And to develop their critical thinking skills and analytical skills, they want to bring in coding also. Even programming kalili anta they want, because see, in engineering also, I see my friends who have studied computer science. I was an electronics communication engineer. I have seen we were studying a lot of things which are outdated. But to get all this in alignment, it will take certain amount of time. It implement agake ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, because India is a large country. It's not easy at all. I'm very sure it will take at least 6 to 7 years to get it in full-fledged implementation. But I am very happy to tell all of you, whatever is listed in NEP 2020, except coding, we are trying our best to inculcate those things in your kids. And we assure you that. It's just that because of that COVID pandemic, our curriculum was little bit shaken. Otherwise, we had planned awesome things, but we assure you that by the end of this academic year, your kids will come out good in academics. They'll good, again, I'm repeating this, they'll be very strong in their emotions, and most important thing, they will have the wonderful personalities. That means be it public speaking, be it standing on stage, be it interacting with others, because these are the skills which are overlooked by schools, unfortunately. They are overlooked. They feel that no, this is not important, it's only marks. And same thing, we as a parent also feel marks is everything. I agree, marks is important at the right stage of the life, but marks is not everything. That is one thing I just want to add, parents. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆಂದ್ರೆ, we have one particular curriculum, we are going to work on that way. See, I do know that it may be little bit not in alignment with your school tests, the portions. We may have not done that. Schools, in fact, let me tell you, I'm in constantly touch with education department. As far as I know, schools are trying to finish off easy chapters first. Why? Because teachers are also finding it hard to adapt to this new online teaching. They are also not confident. Let me not blame teachers for that. The scenario is like that. The time is very less for them to adapt. So they're trying to finish off the basic easy chapters. But we are going according to the syllabus, and we are trying our best. And let me tell one thing, more than academics, we are prioritizing right now on the emotional side of your kids. That is why, if you believe, if you have seen, we are going with mentorship session. We had actually only monthly one mentorship session, but we made it almost every week, if you have observed. The reason for that is we want to understand your kid, where is the root cause for him not to enjoy studies. Either we can simply scold him or pressurize him. Hey, odappa, odu, nin waste adiya, ninu odu, study. Nobody is ready to teach him how to study or why to study. To do that, we are trying to understand first, nimma maganal yenenu qualities ಇದೆ. See, you will not believe, we started with a mentorship session called self-love, which is the most important topic, because most of the kids have lost that thing. They have so many qualities, just because marks they are not getting good, they feel that they are useless. I got to know that some kid is a gold medalist in 100-meter sprint, but nobody celebrates it. They feel, no, at the end of the day, you're not scoring marks. We don't give a damn about that medal. But if something is preparing him for life more than marks, I think that winning that medal, that winning spirit. So my request to all the parents here is that we will work as a team. Little bit I need support from you, because we are doing it online. The moment it gets physical, when people can come here, that time we would need a little support from you. But right now it is very important, because we can't put a spy cam in your house. Whether what is your son doing? We can't do that. So whatever mentorship is the timing, we can talk to him and find out. And we were effectively able to conduct, I think all your children have gone through that 4 mentorship sessions as of now, effective mentorship sessions. Otherwise, indirectly or informally, our mentors are regularly in touch with your students. They're talking regularly. More than tutors, we are ensuring mentors. Why? Because first we want to set the emotional side. Second, from next month onwards, I'm personally taking personality development classes for your kids. Why? I will tell you that. Because according to me, if our kids are confident, then studies becomes easy. How much ever you teach him, how much ever let him make him revision, if he's not confident, if he has that fear, he's tend to forget in examination. Last minute, he's just shaky. He messes up. So according to me, I want our 3M model, which all of you are aware, methodology, mentorship, and mindset, is the very thought of, and we have created it. That's why I request all the parents, little bit, I know it is tough to understand our pattern. Otherwise, we could have started academics immediately. And because of that few requests from parents, I had to start academics immediately. Then we realized that students lack foundation. The basics they don't understand. Okay, plus into plus is minus, plus into plus is plus. They are confused. That is why last week we conducted mathematics foundation, right? And I assure you, innu artha agilla andre matte repeat ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Till they learn, we are going to do that. Only thing I need support from you, is that whenever we send that daily calendar, in that prescribed amount of time, just to give him that support. I'm not telling you that you please monitor him, what to say, you intrude his space. Don't do that, please. Today's kids don't like their space to be intruded. First thing. Second thing, they don't want to be told or intimidated. But all those kids, they want only one thing, that is little attention from parents. Correct? And to get that attention, they behave rebellious. Ella taradu nataku, all drama they do. Why? Because somewhere they feel that you are not giving the time or attention. See, I know times are hard right now. As I said, health issues are there, economic issues are there. Adru kuda, little bit time if we can take out for our kids, that would is the only thing I can ask from my side as a parent. Because this year I became a parent. I have a 7-month-old daughter. Already I am understanding the value of having a baby. So you know more than me. You have your 15 years, 16 years you have done in parenting. But this 1 year, if you can little bit change your parenting style, little bit care for them. One simple I do know that when somebody provokes, somebody criticizes, we can take it as a challenge and become successful. I agree to that ideology. But out of 100 people, if you provoke 100 students now by criticizing, only one will stand that provocation and you will become successful. Remaining 99 will end up in depression. Trust me, criticism has spoiled many people more than appreciation. Appreciation, you keep appreciating your kid. For 100 students, if you appreciate, 20 students will get spoiled. I know that. But if you criticize 100 kids, only one kid will become successful, 99 kids will get in depression. This is a hardcore fact. I have also been criticized, but thank God that I was mature enough. Being a sports person, I understood the challenges of being a sports person. But I've seen my friends also who are intimidated by their parents, by their relatives. They just lost the track. So one request ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಏನೇ problem ಇಲ್ಲಿ, please tell your kids, appreciate them. Even small thing they do, appreciate them. They get a water for you, a glass of water, tell them thanks. They feel good. And ಹಾಗಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ full, see, don't do everything for them. Let them also do little bit. You have to appreciate. That's all I'm telling you. If I weigh the balance between appreciation and criticism, appreciation is the best thing that can happen. And at least these times. And moreover, let's understand, see, our kids are not expressive, especially because I'll tell you the reason to all the parents. The reason kids are not expressive these days is because parents have become judgmental. Please don't take me wrong. This is based on my 14 years of research, interacting with a lot of youths. Parents, unfortunately, have become judgmental. Any problem idre, if they come to you and want to talk to you, first thing we do is we judge them immediately. We don't want to hear. We don't have time, na. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just have a 10 minutes. We are fasting. I just break fast and come back again, sir.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely. I respect that. Please. Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. Yeah, yes.
Same problem. I'm fasting too.
Yeah, I understand. Today is Moharram. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, please, you can log out, or you can just.
I'll let it be on.
Sure.
I'll break my
just
fasting.
Put it on mute. Put it on mute, please. I respect that. I think I missed. What was I telling? Where was I? I think somewhere. Judgmental. Yes, absolutely. ಈಗ ಏನೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, see, let me because I hope all your kids are not around you right now.
No.
They are not around you.
No.
Okay, because something sensitive I'm going to talk right now. See, at the age of obviously 14, 15, 16, there is a lot of hormonal changes in kids. Correct? When there is a hormonal changes, it is a very natural biology. It is not something. It has happened with us also. It will happen with them also. Now, suppose in their school, something happened, or some girl has chatted with him, or a boy has texted him something, and she is coming and showing it to you. That means she trusts you. If your son is coming and showing that to you, he trusts you. But what we tend to do is, instead of understanding what he is trying to tell, avanu ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, we jump to conclusion. ನಿನಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಾನು? Did I give you a mobile for this stupid thing? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗೋದು? ಇದೇ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? We just pounce. That means we have become very reactive these days. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ. Again, media makes us, ಆ ತರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ ತರ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. We like breaking news and sensational news these days. So what I want parents to understand is, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ reactive ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್. Even if he has done big mistake, don't react. Trust me, the silence is the best medicine for anything. If you are silent, right, your son or daughter feels so much guilty, they come to you and talk to you, amma yenaitu, please matadamma, please appa, please. But what we do, we react, we scold, he scold, you scold, he scold, gone. There is no outcome at all. If we want a positive outcome in our kid, the best thing is silence. And suppose ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, he becomes angry on you. Now if he is angry on you, if he is trying to be rude, yeah, one more issue is there with today's students, they are trying to become rude. It is okay to be little rebellious, but rude, ಎದುರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡೋದು, not, I don't stand that from any kid for that matter. ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು. ನಿಮ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ we have to tighten the screw. I'm using this word, I'm very sorry, but that is the truth. Kids can be rebellious, but they should not be rude to their parents. So if they are next time if they are acting rebellious, you keep calm, you tell him, bye likutko, I have noticed you want attention, I have noticed it, ninge ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, let's talk like adults, come sit here, explain me, I'm calm now, I'm listening, right, talk to me now. Let's not end up in a heated debate. ಇದೊಂದೇ ನನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ these days na kids don't express because they feel we'll be judged quickly and we'll be framed, right? And let me tell one more thing to all the parents here, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I will tell you, I got a report, a comprehensive report from our mentors. You know what, every kid, they have appreciated all of you. Sir, I want to do something for my mother, sir, I want to do something for my father, sir, ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, we have given such particular tasks where it was thought provoking for them to think about your sacrifices, and they wrote, and they all love you so much. I'm telling you, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅವ್ನು ಲವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ, because he is not expressive, but all your children love you. Let's respect that. Can we do that, my dear parents? And moreover, num 3 departments, as I told in the first session only, our mentorship methodology, that is tutors, mentors, and myself, we all are working in tandem, so no need to worry. Even student have any problem, please reach out to us. I want your support now. We all have to work as a team. School ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ನನಗೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, because right now we don't have clarity, so let's not worry about it. And I told one important thing in my first session, all mothers were there that time. I think you heard that story of Lord Indra, right? Practicing is very important. ನನ್ನ ಮೇನ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ, 50% ಆಗಲಿ, 30% ಆಗಲಿ, 20% ಆಗಲಿ, but we should not give the chance for students to lose interest in learning now, which already many students have lost learning. They are not logging into school classes. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ, 60 students ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 students 4 students ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಂತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. And illi, when we are making it more interactive, if students miss out these classes, that's why now I can't spy on your students. I can't come to your house, put a camera there. I can't come and sit in your house also, because right now social distancing is there. Hagagi, only request from parents is little bit 5 to 7, 5 to 8 time enidella. When they are studying, you also sit there, read some book, right? See, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇನೋ, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. See, we always build up nice stories. I am not telling 50% is truth, but 50% we exaggerate. You know how I came to Bangalore, how I struggled, how I did everything I did for you. See, good, I am not denying that. But sacrifice ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Like for example, if we are telling our kids not to watch TV, the question is, are we putting on all the time TV? ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, ಮಗನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡ, ನಾನ್ ತಿಂತೇನೆ. What? Come on. You are kept nice sweets in front of him. You are eating. You are telling you don't eat. How will he feel? He feel offended. Now that is what is happening with most of the people. ಈ Zee Kannada ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಪಾಪ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಟೆಲ್, ಓದೋ, ಏನೋ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? We are watching. We are telling him to do some productive work. And when he loses now one day, he will tell, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ? What are you doing? You are watching that all the idiot soaps. Right? So what I'm telling you is that ಆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಸೈಡ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಬಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಮ್, ಯು ಟೆಲ್, ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೊ, ನಾನು ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಬುಕ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, it is never too, we are never too old to learn again. So why not we also learn some new books? Anyways, next week one new welcome kit is coming to your house from our root side. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ, that will help all the parents also. especially it's for kids, but I want parents also to develop the habit of reading. ಇವತ್ತು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಏನದು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಅಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅವರು ಅಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. And we expect our kids are using more. Our kids have grown with the technology. Technology has come later in our lives, and we are behaving as if technology has come with us. ಇದು ನಮ್ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Sacrifice ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll just share my parents' experience. In the year 2002 to 2005, ಈ 3 ವರ್ಷ 4 years, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, in my home there is only DD channel ಅಷ್ಟೇ. There was antenna. You know that the old antenna? My dad, my mom sacrificed cable connection. Now nodala serial. My mom was addicted to serials. Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, Kasauti Zindagi Ki, Vella star al bartitu. She loved those serials more than anything. She left for the sake of her children. And you know what? We felt if my mother can sacrifice this much, that's why my elder brother in his 12th standard, he scored 99.66%. I scored 96%. Younger brother scored 96%. ಆ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿವಿ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನಮ್ದು ಓದೋದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. They will not understand all this logics, right? So my sincere request, can we follow that? Can I just get a thumbs up from everybody? Okay, thank you very much. Right, so last but not the least, I want to share one thing, because this will matter a lot with respect to parenting. Once what happened, there was a father who had a dream to buy a wonderful luxury car. One olle luxury car ತಗೋಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. And after working hard, he got a Mercedes Benz, right, worth 45-50 lakh rupees car. ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, once what happened, he was just coming near his garage, he started hearing something scratching. And you know what, his 3-year-old son, ಅವನ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗ ಆ ಕಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. He became so reactive, without even giving a thought, he took that kid's hand and hit it to the car only. Hand fracture. 3-year-old kid. Immediately his mother came, they took him to hospital. Then he realized his mistake. So ನಾನು ಏನಪ್ಪ react ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡೆ. Then the kid was admitted in hospital. He came back home. He went to check that car. ಏನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, that kid would have returned, I love you daddy. My God, sometimes now we are so reactive that we don't even find the hidden love the kid carries. So what I'm trying to tell is that ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಖತ್ ಮೃದುವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ಲಾಂಗ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಏನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. Just because he has got some marks, he's not going to become a useless person. If that is the case, then you know all the successful entrepreneurs, they are supposed to be they are all, you know, dropouts, right? So this is what I just wanted to say, and I hope I conveyed the message rightly. And I believe all the Rootians parents will join hands in this mission. We'll work together. Nan again health and mission, bari academics alla, academics chennag marana. I want overall development of your kids. That means they should respect elders also. Naale nim relatives bandre kaal namaskara ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವರು. That Indian tradition should be kept alive. They should know how to talk. If somebody is talking, they should respect that space. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹುಡುಗರು. I know they know it. I'm not telling they don't know it, but many things are not followed. That is why parents get irritated. So can we do that? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I am very sure. See, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ, ಹೋಗ ಅವ್ನು ಕಾಲ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡು, ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಕಾಲ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡು. Don't tell him. You show him, he will do it. So don't worry. In Roots, we have invented certain methodologies and certain stories. ಅದರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. We are not making it, commandments. We will not put them under pressure. Hey, you have to do this stuff for parents. We will arouse that emotions in your kid so that he is bound to do it. Right? Thank you very much. It was wonderful talking to all the parents here. If you have any questions, I'll open the floor. Quickly, you can ask the questions related with our program or anything you want to ask. I just have 5 minutes. I will take 2-3 questions. Quickly, you can ask questions. You can unmute yourself and ask if you have questions. Okay, no questions. If no questions means two things I have to understand.
No
Either
questions.
you're not understood or everything is understood.
Hello, sir. No questions, but this session was wonderful.
Thank you,
Excellent
ma'am.
for
Thank you.
children also and as well as parents also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Any parents want to ask question? Yash's mom is here. Karan's mom is here.
Questions.
Naman's mother. Janvi's mother is here. Any questions? You can quickly ask. No issues.
Hello, sir. I am Samruddhi mother, Mamta.
Yes, ma'am.
ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಸರ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Definitely.
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay, thank you.
ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ತರ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Thank you, ma'am. And we will have regular interaction like this. Nimde enadru questions sir, you can ask me. We will figure out together. See, Roots is not a organization. Roots is not a company. Roots is not an edtech company. Roots is a family. So I include all of you as a family. So I will be very happy to take insights from you elders also. New experience nan jote share ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು if you want to give some positive things, I would be very happy to take it. Even if you have critical point of view also, I'm very open for feedback also. But let it be a constructive criticism. I would be very happy to accept constructive criticism.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
So thank you very much. Can you quickly get your kids to your room and be online? Just I will give the finishing statement and we'll end the session. Please call your kids. Yeah. 30 seconds, please.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, nice to see all families here, parents and their kids. Okay, my dear Routine students, see, I have spoken with your parents. Trust me, they love you a lot. We had a question and answer. They love you a lot. They care for you. See, you don't have to feel. Yaargu feeling itkobedi. No, I am outcasted. I am not good in this. No, I am telling you, nan matte heltane. Every student sitting here is a gem. It's just that we are going to work as a team and we'll get that gem out. Correct. See, all of you know that diamond is a normal rock only. You know that? Diamond is a configuration of coal. The carbon. It's a carbon compound. Do you know that? Pankaj, can you just mute? I'm just getting some distortion. Yeah, thank you. Diamond and coal. Coal gottana eldrigu coal. Diamond. Both of them are carbon compounds. Correct? The only difference between them is that carbon, the moment it takes lot of heat and pressure, it becomes diamond. Correct? According to me, you are not going to take any heat and pressure from now on. It is going to be a challenges. I told you, studies has to be challenged, right? And the moment you do well in your studies, what do you need to do? Tell me, everybody. After completing classes, what do you need to do? After doing quiz? Arthaktena, we have to just punch this in the air because we are going to celebrate like the way Virat Kohli celebrates when he hits 100. The moment he hits 100, he just, he removes his helmet and he thumbs in the air. Come on, yeah. Studies should be like games only. Yes or no? So all your parents have told me they really love you a lot, right? Now you're going to team up, all of us, your mentors, tutors, me, your parents, you. All 5 of us, we are going to work as a team, and this year we are going to get the best results. Is that fine? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with me. Give me a high five, guys. Give me a high five. I'd be very happy to have the high five. Yeah, thank you. Yashas is not giving me a high five. Yeah. Naman didn't give me a high five. Thank you very much. Right? So my best wishes to all of you, all Rootians and your families for taking out your time and coming out here for the first Roots Digital Meet. We'll keep having this, at least 2 months once, so that we'll interact and figure out if any issues we are finding out, and we'll fix it accordingly. Is that fine? And if you loved today's session, give a thumbs up. A digital thumbs up as well. Right. Thank you very much, guys. Wish you all the best. Take care. And from next week onwards, your mentors are sending you the daily planner, how to study, so that there is difference between being busy and being productive. Correct? Sumne book munde kutkondre odadalla. Productive. You read 2 hours only, read properly. Don't sit for 5 hours and waste your time. 2 hours you study. Productivity. Right? So your mentors will set that. And any timetable changes are there, it will be updated to you. Make sure you sincerely attend class. That is all I'm asking you, nothing else. I'm not asking you score, give me huge marks. No. That is my responsibility. You don't worry. Getting my point? Sincerely, you have to study. That's all. Right? Thank you very much, guys. Nice time having with you today. Have a nice Sunday again. A good evening. Take care. God bless you. All the best. Vinay Patil signing off.